So we're looking at our scales homework, theory homework, which is on page 27 of the grade 1 book. And under number 1, the instructions are write the scales with key signatures ascending. So ascending means we're going to start towards the bottom of the stave. The treble clef means you're in the which hand? And hopefully you know which one that is. And we're going to write it with a key signature. So F major has a B flat. So when we play the scale, it's going to look like this. F, G, A, B flat with our finger 4, thumb on C, D, E, F. And that's ascending. So I'm going towards the higher notes. So again, that's F, G, A, B flat, C with the thumb, 2 on the D, 3 on the E, 4 on the F. That's 1 octave. So now I'm going to write that in so that I know exactly what the music's going to look like. But first of all, I'm going to put my B flat in. B flat will be on that middle line. As you know, we do every good boy deserves football. So we're going to put a B flat there. So draw your B flat on that middle line. So it looks like a B, and the line should come directly in the middle of the loop. We know what an F, where the F line is, so we've got face as well. So we look at F, A, C, E. So now we're going to draw a note in every space from F, and then G on the line. So you do this as well in your book. A, B, C in a space, D on a line, E in a space, F on a line. So we have a note in a space, on a line, a space, a line, space, line, space, line. So that's F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So I want you to draw yours so it looks the same as what I've written. And that is your F scale. And if we were to read the music and play the scale at the same time, this is what we would be doing. Now, the other thing about a major scale is that sometimes we have a note that's a tone. So a tone is when there are 2 notes, but there's a note in between. A semitone is when there's a note to a note with no note in between. So there's a semitone, and there's another semitone. Look, from the white to the black, there's another one. But from there to there, because we have a black note in between, that means we have a tone. So what we have to do now is we have to mark where the semitones come in our music. And they'll always, in a major scale, come in the same places. So we've got, for F major, we have a tone, and a semitone, because we're going to that B flat, and then a tone. So when we're looking at the notes, we've got 1, 2, 3, and then the semitone. So the semitone comes between the A and the B flat. And that's the 3rd and the 4th note of a major scale. If we carry on up the scale so we've got 1, 2, and we've got another tone, we've got another tone, and then a semitone between notes 7 and 8. So we've got the 7th and the 8th note. So that's where the note, there won't be a note in between, they'll be touching one another. I want you now to look at your piano and play some semitones. So where you're going from one note to the next note. It's going to be a white to a black, or it could be a white to a white. And listen to the difference between a tone and a semitone. Oh, that's a bit different, isn't it? So if you place F to G is a tone, if you play F to the black note is a semitone. Oh, it's quite a difference there, isn't it? So I want you to copy that out, see how you get on, and then we'll talk about that in the lesson. Good luck.